welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I would like to teach you how to find out if your money is real. Simple as that, a simple quick video. I'm going to show you 2 different ways, and if not 3 different ways, on how to find out if your money is real or not. So obviously I will be only working with real money. I don't have any counterfeit money that I know of, but I'm going to show you a tip that I've learned while working in retail. So I'm going to, got a good bill. So we're going to do 20. So I just took 20 out of my sinking fund. If you want to know more about sinking funds and a cash only based budget, links are down below. I do talk about that on a regular on this channel. So I'm going to zoom you in. So we have this $20 bill. Looks normal, right? So a way that you can test to see if your money is real is by flickering the 20 holographic. Is it moving? Is it changing colors? Is it not? So you should see sometimes it goes from green to yellow, green to yellow, green to yellow, green to yellow, green. Yeah, you get the gist. I don't know if it's showing up on camera because I do have a lot of light. And then another way, this is way number 2, is you see the collar, how it's it looks rigid. It does. So you hear that? That's how you know that your money is real. Every collar has a ridge. It's like you're doing a scratch off, but nothing's scratching off. So that's another way, and you can do the typical look up and see if there's a line right here, line of writing. You can do that as well. I know that's the oldest trick that people typically do. Another way is money can talk, like money moves, not talk, money moves. So you do and watch your money slowly try to. The third trick, well, 4th at this rate, is if you can crinkle your money and it moves, you'll see it visibly moving. It's not going to be a fast move. It's just moving to unfold itself in a sense. You know your money's real. So see? It's slowly trying to undo what I just did. It's because of the type of paper it is. Like, it's still moving. It's still moving. So yeah, so it doesn't completely undo itself, clearly, but you saw how I crumble it, drop it, and it was just like, let me free. So those are the tips on how to find out if your money is real. And these are the tricks that I've learned working many years in retail. Don't work there now, but I've picked up these tricks and it's been helpful. Have I caught people with counterfeit money? Yes. Have I used these tricks to find out if it was counterfeit money or not? Yes. So these tricks are honestly good. So if you feel like you have been encountered with a counterfeit dollar, you know what to do in order to stop it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.